Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to always appear active on Slack. Alright, so let's begin the video. To appear online, adjust your status at the top of the Slack interface. For example, if your status is currently set to away, you can manually switch it to active. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of the Slack window where your profile picture or status indicator is located. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Set Yourself as Active to update your status from away to active. This lets your colleagues know that you are available and online. This method works on both the browser version of Slack and the desktop app. Simply follow the same steps. Click on your profile icon and choose the status you want to set. So that's basically how to always appear active on Slack. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.